let's explore how AI can help with voiceovers. If you don't want to record your own voice or you just want different styles, AI tools like ElevenLabs and other tools can generate natural human-like voices for your video. Here is how it works. Let's first of all start with ElevenLabs. So when you come here to your browser, you can enter here ElevenLabs.io. You press enter, you see here ElevenLabs free text-to-speech and AI voice generator. So you click on it and here is the ElevenLab. So you have to click on the sign up and then sign up with your Google account and then sign up with your Google account or your email address. So when you've signed up, it will take you to this page. So here in this page, you will see here text to speech. So click on the text to speech and you see here is where you need to insert your text. So I have already inserted a text here. That is why it is still having it here. So let's remove this previous text. Now, when you come here, you will see here create. So this is the voice that I selected previously. If you want to select another voice, you can come here, preview the voice, and then choose the voice that you want. For example, if you want to select Rachel voice, you can come here and click on the preview button.
You got to be careful if you don't know where you're going because you might not get there.
Did we hear that? That is nice, right? So let's choose that voice, Rachel voice. So you just have to double click on the voice and you've selected Rachel voice. As you can see, it has been selected here. So now we need to go to our script and then we copy it. We've copied it and then we come down here and we paste it. As you can see, we already have 10,000 credits and this ElevenLabs allows 3,000 characters. So we have pasted 941 characters. After you've pasted that, you click on generate. Just wait for some seconds and then you click on download. So your voice will be downloaded. Of course, in due time, you are going to pay for ElevenLabs. So when you exhaust your credit, you are going to pay for ElevenLabs. But if you actually need a free voice generator, I'm going to show you right now where you can get it and how you can get that. So you can come to this website to get another voice generator for free. And this one is called theclipchamp.com. So go to your browser and type in app.clipchamp.com. So when you come here, you will see here create a new video or create a video with AI. And you also see here text to speech. So select on text to speech and click on try it. Now that it has opened, come here to text to speech and click on it. So it will take you here. So come here to text to speech again by the top right corner and select it, and you see that this particular menu has opened for you. So here you have language, set the language to English. You have voice here. You can also select different voices. You can preview them by clicking on it and then you click on hear this voice.
Choose from a variety of voices.
So you have a variety of voices for you to choose from. So you can just go down here and select another one like Andrew.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
That is cool now. So you can also set the emotion to neutral or empathetic. So if you set this emotion here and you also click here to hear the voice, let's see how it goes.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
That is cool, right? So you can also set your vocal pitch. So you can come here, you set it to extra low, low, medium, high, or extra high. And when you've done all the settings, including the pace, whether you want it slow or you want it faster, you can insert the text here. Remember, we've copied our text already. So we click on Ctrl V, that is to paste the text, or Command V as the case may be. Now you can preview how it will read it here before you save it. Just preview it here.
Hey friends, welcome back. Let's talk about something simple that can completely change your day. Exercise. Now, I'm not talking about spending hours in the gym.
That is very nice, right? Excellent. So you can click on save. Now we want to export our audio. So you know that this is already a video. So this website is used to make a video actually. So, and we have generated our voice here so that we can use it to make a video, but we're going to export it. Now, when you come here to export it, just export the smallest size, because when you have it as a video, you can just upload it to any video editor like CapCut, extract the sound. Remember how we show you how to extract the sound in our previous tutorial. So you just go to CapCut and extract the sound. So as you can see, it is downloading and very soon it has finished, and it has already finished downloading. So just go here to CapCut and then create a new project and import it. Then right click on it and extract the sound, the audio version of it. So with that, you have your audio. Now let's go to another one. So this is the voice generator.io. Just put here in your browser voicegenerator.io. Then you click here and then you paste your text. You can expand here so that you can make adjustments to your text as usual, as you want. Just click here to open it up and then you can select speech here, maybe Google UK English male, select it and then you play to hear it.
Hey friends, welcome back. Let's talk about something simple that can completely change your day.
So how did you see that? So right now you can download it, but there's a problem here. If you download it with this particular site, the voice may change because this is a web browser based application. So what do? You can come here to CapCut, use CapCut screen recorder to record the screen here while you are playing it. And then after the recorded screen, you can go to CapCut again, download the recorded one and extract your audio. So I really recommend that you use this Clipchamp or use any other one if you don't want to use Clipchamp. But we have several voices that you can use in the Clipchamp. You can use the Clipchamp to get your free voices. So while you are generating your voices, here is the key. Always review the AI voiceover. Make sure it matches your script's meaning and flow. Sometimes small tweaks are needed to get it just right. A quick pro tip is this: keep your sentences short and simple when writing scripts for AI. The clearer the text, the more natural the voice sounds. With AI voices, you can create professional narration in minutes, no studio or expensive mic required. So I hope that you try this out and you will get it right. Thank you very much for watching this part of the tutorial.